Did you know that you can use Mango to carry out your facilities management role in the plant and equipment and in the buildings? So we've added in a workshop as an example. In your building, in the description you can add in as much information as you like about the building. You can even add in who built it, when it was built, and the purchase information. You can add in any identified risks for operation within the building, and then in the event schedule add in the events that you want to remember, such as build warrant of fitness. You can set up the frequency of that event so it will remind you every single year. In this case it's going to remind you 2 months in advance that your warrant of fitness is coming up. Under the event history, you can keep track of all the times that you sign off that particular event and any notes that you've added in, and perhaps you've uploaded a copy of the warrant of fitness. Under the history tab of that building, you'll be able to see any maintenance requests that have been logged through Mango's maintenance requests section, any accidents that have been added through the accidents, or indeed anything else within the Mango system. Audits is another great area where you can use for your buildings. In this case we have a lighting audit, and you'll be able to see all of the results. That's facilities management made easy.